Welcome to this video where we'll be discussing the difference between clear nail polish and top coat. If you're into nail art, you may have heard these terms being used interchangeably, but they're actually different products with different functions. In this video, we'll explore the similarities and differences between clear nail polish and top coat and when to use them. So without further ado, let's get started. Clear nail polish is a transparent varnish that is used to add a glossy finish to the nails. It's a popular beauty product that can be used on its own or as a base coat for other nail polishes. Key features: adds shine. One of the primary uses of clear nail polish is to add shine to the nails. It can give a glossy, high shine finish to bare nails, making them look healthy and well groomed. Protects the nails. Clear nail polish can act as a barrier between the nails and the elements, protecting them from damage caused by environmental factors such as water, chemicals, and UV rays. Prevents chipping. When used as a top coat, clear nail polish can help prevent nail polish from chipping and peeling, making your manicure last longer. Strengthens nails. Some clear nail polishes contain strengthening ingredients such as proteins and vitamins that can help strengthen weak and brittle nails. Top coat is a clear, fast-drying polish that is applied on top of nail polish to seal in the color and add extra shine. It's a finishing product that can enhance the look of your manicure and make it last longer. Key features: adds shine. Like clear nail polish, top coat adds shine to the nails, but it also enhances the color of the nail polish underneath, making it look more vibrant and glossy. Seals in color. Top coat forms a protective layer over the nail polish, sealing it in the color and preventing it from chipping or peeling. Dries quickly. Top coat is designed to dry quickly, allowing you to apply it over your nail polish without waiting for it to dry. Extends wear time. By sealing in the color and preventing chipping, top coat can help extend the wear time of your manicure, making it last for up to a week or longer. Key differences between the two. Texture. Clear nail polish has a thinner consistency and is more liquid, while top coat is thicker and more gel-like. Drying time. Clear nail polish takes longer to dry than top coat, which is designed to dry quickly. Shine. While both products add shine to the nails, top coat gives a more intense and long-lasting shine. Wear time. Clear nail polish can help protect the nails and prevent chipping, but it's not as effective as top coat in extending the wear time of nail polish. When to use clear nail polish versus top coat. You can use clear nail polish on its own to give your nails a natural glossy finish. It's also a good base coat for another nail polishes, especially if you want to protect your nails from damage. If you have weak and brittle nails, you can use a strengthening clear nail polish to help you improve their strength. Use the top coat as a finishing product after applying nail polish to seal in the color and add extra shine. It's especially useful if you want your manicure to last longer without chipping or peeling. You can also use it to refresh your manicure by applying a new layer of top coat every few days. Overall, clear nail polish and top coat are two different products with different functions. Clear nail polish is used to add shine, protect the nails, and strengthen them, while top coat is used to seal in the color and add extra shine to the nails. Both products have their own unique benefits and can be used together for a more effective manicure. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it was helpful in understanding the differences between clear nail polish and top coat. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks.